What's the meaning of cloudy? Cloudy. Cloudy.
Cloudy. Cloudy. Cloudy refers to the weather condition characterized by the presence of clouds in the sky. This condition is usually associated with overcast skies, where the sun's rays are partially or completely blocked by the clouds. Cloudy weather can result in cooler temperatures and a reduction in sunlight, making outdoor activities more challenging. Additionally, cloudy skies can sometimes be an indication of upcoming precipitation like rain or snow. Overall, cloudy describes a weather condition that is neither completely clear nor completely stormy, but rather an intermediate state with its own unique characteristics.